She's older than me. But in the job, I'm older than her. And she's so nice. I can say I've been with her since 1974. Around the time of Rabia too, we were in Berry. We know each other very well. And since then we have been together. Thank Almighty God for His mercy upon her and her children. No matter how we be in this life, there must be obstacle. And when it comes, you fight it with fasting and prayer. And God has already heard prayer. May you live long. God bless you. You see my friend, she has 3 boys. You say now, oh, by the time she wants to sing, you will be fine. You see, she has a lot of voice in singing. The only thing I can see her, when you see somebody that got something or when I got to her, I saw so many people. I said, Mama, oh, that's your papa that you do. Oh, my sister, and this sleeping with you, you are feeling there, Holy yes. Almighty God will bless you. Almighty God will raise you pocket. That's what we do everything. So we don't have anything to say. And just to thank Almighty God for what she has been doing. And how she will be doing it well. And she has been doing it. So God will be taught of us here. I will say thank you to everybody, my chairman, everybody from the governor, my chairman, you are welcome, sir.
Allow me to invite the founder, Footmost Learning Center, Dr. Ambassador Adekunle.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. It is a period of majesty. I will say, happy is you.
You are welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen,